the goal of this project, and it's been in the works in my head anyway for probably 15 years, was to go in and re-meander this reach all the way to County U or close to it. The benefits of re-meandering a stream is you lower the peak flows, attenuate flooding, and extend base flows. The water stays in the channel longer. And by increasing the distance of the channel, which we did by about 3,300 feet, you actually clean the water better because it has more of a chance to interact with the substrates. We started excavating the new stream channel on September 21st. And here we are at the beginning of November. But what they did is they fabricated a very large bucket for the end of the excavator that matched the design profile on the plan sheets for the new stream. They were able to go along, obviously following the staking for the meandering, but just do a couple scoops as they went along in each, as they reached out, and it would match the profile without having to go in and do that with a smaller bucket. The biggest advantage was the low level of disturbance along the riparian corridor, with the heavy equipment not having to go back and forth as much and shaping. They just had to go along once and pull that bucket through there. Because of all the work that was done with the adaptive management pilot project with all of our partners, New Water, DNR, the counties, farmers, monitoring of the project has been going on for several years, with water quality monitoring down here done by New Water for, phosphorus loading and that kind of thing. Water levels, there's a gauging station here, but also benthic macroinvertebrate monitoring here for several years. And last year was the best sample as far as how the indices showed the improvements due to the water quality improvements on the land because of the adaptive management project. All the wascobs, buffers, grass waterways, no-till practices done in the watershed. So the last thing I'm going to do for the stream, other than wait for all the vegetation to come up, is to come in here and enhance the habitat in here, the in-stream habitat a bit, by putting some woody material in there and possibly some stone and things like that. And that'll continue for another couple years just to ensure that things are continuing to improve. But in general, the whole Silver Creek project is done now with all those practices up there and then the actual stream re-meander.